design thinking in bar. So in this bar, we will be having a different. Each one of you will be having a different thought process. You will once maybe you may use the cutleries, different types of cutleries, or you can use the equipments, different types of equipments. So each one of you will give your own point how this design thinking is applied in bar, including decors, false ceiling, even in menu.
Myself Chandrika. Now we are going to discuss about design thinking in trends in bar design. Now we are going to talk about empathize, study modern customer expectation, analyze competitor bars. First we have to study about the customer expectation, what the customers are expecting from us, and also we have to compare the different bars around the city to improvise. Then now we are going to discuss about the problem. The problem statement is the bar design is outdated and not appealing to the young customers. So mostly young customers are coming to the bar, so the bar ambience and the design is outdated, so we have to improve that. Now ideate smart bars with digital menus. If bar is outdated, to improvise that we can bring digital menus, scanning the menu and we can order the food like that. And sustainable materials, using sustainable materials like wooden plates and spoons. Cocktail experience zone, making different varieties of cocktails. There are many varieties of cocktails, we have to make that, and if we make that, young customers will be attracted. Instagram friendly design, also make the ambience should be Instagram friendly, people can take pictures and post online. And now we are going to create a prototype. Concept design, future bar model, we have to create a bar model in which the customers likes the ambience, people are treating good. And trend presentation, we are analyzing the competitive bars around the city and creating a trend presentation. Now test, compare with trending bars. Social media engagement feedback, collecting feedback from the customers so that we can improve more. Thank you.
Today's topic, design thinking in atmosphere and decorum. Empathy, understanding guest mode of performance, observing the customer state timing, define guest feel the bar and dunk and attractive ambience, ideate mood lighting, LEDs, background music, theme, prototype mood, branding, textures, colors, lightning, simple intro designing layout, test ask guest to rate, observing the customer rating time. Empathy, understanding guest mode of performance, observing the customer state timing, define guest feel the bar and dunk and attractive ambience, ideate mood lighting, LEDs, background music, theme, prototype mood, branding, textures, colors, lightning, simple intro designing layout, test ask guest to rate, observing the customer rating time. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Naveen. Today I am talking about design thinking in bar design. Now I am going to empathize, observe bartender movement, interview guest waiting waiting time and comfort, define bartender struggle to serve quickly and due poor tools and slow service, ideate speed rates for liquid bottles, under counter chillers, prototype draw bar counters with the equipment placement and 3D models or floor sketches, test simulate service flow, measuring service and timing improvement, get feedback from staff. Bartender struggle to serve quickly and due poor tools and slow service, ideate speed rates for liquid bottles, under counter chillers, prototype draw bar counters with the equipment placement and 3D models or floor sketches, test simulate service flow, measuring service and timing improvement, get feedback from staff. Thank you.